How to make an AI animation, AI generated video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about all the great AI animation tools and how you can use them to make great AI generated videos. So, the first tool that we are going to be talking about is Synthesia. Okay, so as you can see, Synthesia, it's top notch in AI animation because, as we all know, like ever since the upbringing of AI has been done, ever since AI has been taking the world by storm, tons and tons of people have been using AI. They have been, you know, actually been going through all the things in AI. AI has been bringing us new, different, diverse things, and it's really great stuff. Okay. So basically, that's what we're solely going to be talking about today, and it's going to be really great, really fun, and really easy stuff to, get along with. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to fully learn how we can use this amazing software called Synthesia. Okay, so to start things off, you're going to come to synthesia.io. Okay, as we can see, number one AI video creation platform. Create professional videos in 15 minutes. Turns text into speech in over 120 languages. Choose from over 140 diverse AI avatars. And no equipment or video editing skills are required. Okay? And then as we move down, we can see they are trusted by over 50,000 companies of all sizes. And, they have a lot of great trusted people. Say goodbye to cameras, microphones, and actors. Traditional video creation, you have working with expensive stuff, hiring actors, editing, challenging stuff to go through, localizing content, etc. With Synthesia AI video creation, it's affordable plans, okay? And you can start at just $30 per month. Web-based app accessible in your browser, intuitive interface suitable for beginners. Update your videos with a single click and quickly create videos in over 120 languages. Okay. And the use cases and examples are, you can replace boring documents, PowerPoints, and PDFs with actual engaging videos. With learning and development, you have sales enablement, you have internal communications, marketing, and a whole lot more things. And you can also see why people like us will choose Synthesia, because this is just really great. Create videos as diverse as your team. You can, add a lot of diversity in your videos by adding, different nationalities, different genders, and a whole lot more. Turn text into high quality voiceovers. Like, you can add any type of text that you desire. You can add it into the main, text to speech converter, and the AI will also convert all your texts that you've added into great speech. So that's also a really cool thing to have. Then there's also different team collaborations where you can collaborate on videos with your team. Quickly prototype a video and share it with your team. Get feedback, add comments, and speed up production. Align with stakeholders to, get quicker sign-offs and a whole lot of other stuff. You can also see concrete results from leading companies. You get cost savings, engagement increase, you get time savings, and yeah, a whole lot more. So it's really good and great stuff to get your head behind. Now, obviously, as we move into the features, if we go and see all the features it has, obviously, we're going to come down and you can see full list of Synthesia features. So, first of all, there's obviously the AI features. So, AI avatars, we can choose from 150 plus ethnically diverse stock AI avatars, which is a pretty great thing. Then you have 120 plus languages and accents. Like, every language has different accents, which is also a really good addition into this program. Okay. Then moving on, there's text to speech, simply type in your text and turn it into a professional voiceover in minutes. Then you have custom AI avatars, create your own custom AI avatar, and, just upload a photo of your own and then just create a custom AI. Then you have gestures, add micro gestures to your avatar, such as head nods or raised eyebrows. So that's also a pretty cool thing to have because it, brings the realism out in your, AI. And another great thing is that you can clone voices. You can clone your own voice, you can pair it with any other custom avatar that you want to, and a lot of other great stuff. So, pretty great things. Now, if we go and discuss about the plans and pricings, let's go and see that. So, here's the plan and pricings. Ready to scale your video production? Synthesia is the world's #1 rated AI video creation platform, used by 50,000 plus teams to create videos at scale, saving up to 80% of their time and budget. So, as you can see, the personal plan is $22.50 per month. Then there's the enterprise plan, which is, obviously you're going to have to contact the people at Synthesia to actually find out the use cases for that. And obviously, you can go ahead and check all those things out as well. You can also create a free AI video for yourself to, you know, get a general idea of how things are. So create a free AI video, select a template, and edit your script. Political, it could be sensual, discriminatory content will, all those things will not be approved. But apart from that, normal things can be approved. So, selected video template. It could be a Synthesia demo, it could be a sales pitch, compliment, how-to video, etc. Let's go with a compliment. So, let's say, "Hi, Jacob. I would like to tell you that you are an incredible person with a great personality." Okay, let's do that. And now we're going to click on continue to actually go ahead and generate it. So obviously you get your video via email in like a few minutes. So obviously go ahead and add your video and, just get a basic idea of what kind of videos they actually send. So pretty cool and great stuff to actually have for your, repertoire when you're actually making AI videos. And yeah, really amazing and great stuff. So, if I were to give you a recap, all you're going to need to do is going to go to synthesia.com. Once you go to synthesia.com, from there on out, sign in, okay? Actually, create an account for yourself. Go and check the plans, apply to one of the plans, okay? And once you've done that, from there on out, make a sample video for yourself if you desire that. Once you made a sample video and you like what you see, just go ahead and start using it, because this is one of the most revolutionary and one of the most upcoming AI, softwares out there. So really great stuff to have. So yeah, I guess that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.